William makes the sign shown. Okay, well, there's William's sign. It's a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Your 6 inches, your 6 inches, your 10 inches, your 8 inches, your 10 inches. What is the perimeter in inches of William's sign? The perimeter of any shape is when you take the sides and add them all together. So I can do 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10. And we could use a calculator for this, but that's not fun. Let's do this without a calculator. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 0 is still 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 0 is still 20. Write out your 0, carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Looks like we end up with 40 inches, and that's going to give us an answer of C.